USA Golden Eagles score 19-24, 5-point lead by the Golden Eagles. Basket 19-26. Barangco Waneza. The third quarter, CPU versus USA. Score 43-42. 1-point lead by CPU. Puerto. Traveling violation by Barangco. Solaybar. Pass to Mardocchio. Brasileño to Hermojino. Middle, no good. Barangco, pass to Waneza. Puerto. Steal by Brasileño. Easy two by Brasileño. 44-43. Barangco to Waneza. Sigua. Puerto. Jumper. In and out. Solaybar. Sunyosa. Solaybar. Sunyosa jumper. Basket by Sunyosa. 46-43. Balik sa San Agustin ng Kalamangan. JJ to Barangco. Steal. Na-recover ni Barangco to Puerto. Waneza. Wala. Rebound by Sunyosa. Solaybar. Layup. No good. Sigua. Waneza to Puerto. Kevin, long three. No good. Rebound by Brasileño to Hermojino. Sunyosa. Nabitawan. Hermojino from down under. 48-43. Steal. Sunyosa. Basket by Mardocchio. Time out. CPU. 50-43. 8-0 run by San Agustin. Puerto. Puerto to Sigua. Steal. Na-recover ni Waneza. To Barangco. Barangco. No good. Mukha ni Mardocchio. Mardocchio to Solaybar. Panis Sigua to Puerto. Barangco to Waneza. Turnover. Niya ito Barangco. Waneza for 3. No good. Brasileño for the rebound. Sunyosa. Hermojino. Solaybar. Solaybar. There's a foul. Turnover. Barangco. Soliano. No good. Recover by Barangco. There's a foul.
Second team foul.
Puerto.
USA.
To Denihai. No good. Sunyosa to Hermohino. Doctor against Hermohino against Juaneza. Screen. Hermohino. No good. That's a shot clock violation. 4:56 in the third quarter. Puerto. Barangco. Soliano for 2. Time out, ground out. Brasileño to Zulaybar. Back to Mardocchio. Hermohino fires, no good. Recovers Zulaybar. Jumper basket by J.M. Zulaybar. 52-45. Barangco. Pass to Puerto. Foul by Mardocchio. 3 basket by Barangco. 48-52. 4-point lead by San Agustin. Mardocchio to Brasileño. There's a foul. Dinihay to Puerto. Puerto to Juaneza. Barangco 3. No good. Rebound by Hermohino. Zulaybar gets the ball. Sunyosa. Basket by Sunyosa. 48-54. 6-point lead by the Golden Eagles. Puerto. Barangco. To Soliano. There's a foul by Zulaybar. Barangco. To Puerto for 3. Short. Nakuha ni Hermohino. Mardocchio. Basket by Mardocchio. 3 points. 57-48. 9-point lead by the Golden Eagles. Barangco to Soliano. Puerto. Basket by Julian Puerto. 2 minutes 9 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Mardocchio. 8 seconds violation. Puerto to Deniay. Nabitawan ako ni Zulaybar. Zulaybar. That's a block. There's a whistle. Mardocchio to Hermohino. For 3. Basket by Erjan Hermohino. 60-50. 10-point lead by the Golden Eagles. Barangco. No good. Soliano for 2. 60-40-52. 1:22 remaining in the third quarter. Sunyosa to Hermohino. Foul. Barangco to Denihay. Denihai against Solaybar. Denihai, no good. There's a foul by Denihai. Mardocchio. James Ferrer. Solaybar. Mardocchio for 3. Basket by Mardocchio. 63-52. 11-point lead by the Golden Eagles. Foul by Solaybar. First throw by Puerto. Basket is good. 53-63. Last throw by Puerto. No good. Rebound by Hermojino. Hermojino against Vanessa. Brasileño. 20 seconds remaining. Mardocchio. Bitawan. Recover de Puerto. Loose ball. Turnover to CPU. 10 seconds remaining. Puerto to Barranco. Barranco to Ferrer for 3. Basket by Ferrer. And end of the third quarter. No basket. Score 56-63. 7-point lead by the Golden Eagles.